So welcome students once again. So in the previous video we have read about components of map, and that we have read about title, direction. So today we will start with scale. So scale, definition, and different types of scale we will read in this video. So let's start. So scale is what? This. This is also scale, but we are not going to read about this scale. We are going to read about the scale which is mentioned sometimes below, sometimes at the top of a map. So you can see here scale is written 1:14 lakh. So we are going to read about this scale. So let's start. So before we start, we have to understand what is the definition of scale. So scale is what? Scale is a ratio between a distance measured on a map and a corresponding distance on the land, connecting the 2 points represented by the same unit. So that is the definition of scale. So scale is what? A measuring line which shows the relation between 2 points. What these 2 points are, what these two places are. One is on the land, or you can say the actual distance on the land, and second one is on a map. So on the map, on the land, so these are the 2 points from which we will start. So the scale shows the relation of the distance. So it shows the relation of the distance, the things which are on the land and the things which are on the map. So let's see how it works. So I'm having this map. So you can see two dots are here. One dot represents Lucknow, second dot represents Patna. So Lucknow and Patna, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. So two states are there. So we have to measure the distance between Lucknow and Patna. What we will do? So we have seen it is there. So for measuring the distance, mostly we use what? We use scale. So let's see what is the distance between these 2 points. So okay, so you can see here it is around 3 centimeter. So the distance from Lucknow to Patna is what? 3 centimeters. So we got the actual distance between Lucknow and Patna. Is it so? No, 3 centimeter. As you can see, it is a very small unit. So how we can solve this problem? How we can calculate the exact distance between Lucknow and Patna? What we will do for that? So what we used to do, when we say that the scale of map is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer, we mean that 1 centimeter, represent what? It represent on the map, and 1 kilometer this represent on the ground. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. It means 1 centimeter on the map represents 1 kilometer on the ground. So that represent the actual distance which is on the ground, and that 1 kilometer is converted into 1 centimeter on the map. So by this method we can easily find out the exact distance between 2 points. Okay, so that is what a scale do. So once again we will go with the definition. So what is the definition? It is define the ratio between the distance measured on the map and corresponding distance on the land. So connecting these 2 points by the same unit. So same unit, it is not in same unit, it is in centimeter, it is in kilometer. So what we used to do, we convert this 1 kilometer into centimeter, then both the this figure, both the numbers will be same, both the units will be same. So maps may be of large scale, may be of small scale. So what is this large scale, what is this small scale means, that we will read. So on the basis of scale, Map can be divided into two parts. One is large scale, one is small scale. So map can be divided into two broad categories. One is on the basis of scale, one is on the basis of content. So on the basis of scale, it is divided into two parts, large scale and small scale. So let's see what is large scale, what is small scale. So large scale maps, they shows small area in greater details. So large scale maps are what? They shows small area in greater details. So again, we'll see this map. So here you can see all the states are here: Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chandigarh, New Delhi. So suppose I want to see Jain Mandir sector 43 in Chandigarh. As you can see here, so here Chandigarh is written, but Jain Mandir is not written. Sector 43 we cannot see. So this is a map in which small details are there. You can see New Delhi is there, you can see Madhya Pradesh is there, Uttar Pradesh is there, but Chandigarh is also there. But what we need to know, when we need to know some small details, how we can know that? How we will search this? So for that reason we use this map. So as you can see Chandigarh, this map represents Chandigarh, and here, as you can see here this Jain Mandir sector 43 is given, which is not here in this map. So just to understand the things into a more detailed way, we use this large scale map. So this is what a large scale map, it shows a small area in greater details. So it shows a small area into a greater details. That is what a large scale map is. Now what is small scale maps? Small scale maps show larger area in less detail and less space. So small scale maps are the what? Right now we have seen Chandigarh map. So we want to see map of India. We want to see all state together. So that is not possible in this small scale map. So what we used to do? We used to take this map. So in this map, it is a small scale map in which you can see lot of areas, or you can say in a less detail you can see a larger portion of the place. So in this map you can you can see the important details, like what? Like the relief features, like mountains, plateaus, continents, countries. So these type of things you can see in this small scale maps. Now the large scale map, in this large scale map you can see the detail of cities, towns, village. These things you can see. Now let's talk about the scale of these two maps. The scale of large scale map may be 1 centimeter equal to 15 meter, or 1 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. When we talk about small scale map, the scale is 1 centimeter equal to 100 centimeter. And this type of map, the scale is 1 centimeter to 50 meter or 1 kilometer. So that is what large scale and small scale. Okay. So what is large scale and small scale map? Large scale map, they represent the geographical features of a small area in details. And what is small scale? Small scale shows only important feature of a large scale. Now we will start types of scale. So types of scale, in that 3 types of scales are there. 3 types of scales are there. So in that, number 1, verbal or statement scale. Number 2, numerical fraction. Or representative fraction. fraction, or sometimes it is called as RF also. And the third type is graphic scale or linear scale. So these are the three types of scale. First one, verbal or statement scale. Second one, numeric fraction or representative fraction, or sometimes in short form it is called as RF. Third is graphic scale or linear scale. So these are the three types of scale that we will study in the next video in details. First we will start with verbal. Okay, so till now what we have read about scale. We have read about what is the definition of scale, how we used to represent scale, small scale and large scale maps. So in next video we will start with verbal or statement scale. So till now, thanks for watching. Stay in your home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.